Everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. And if you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you stick around, hang out with your girl, click that like button, subscribe, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy your stay. Now guys, we have another repeat author and y'all know we love our repeat authors. So guess who it is? Yes, Dr. Deven Tellis. Yes, and this is our third time collaborating with her, so y'all already know what is up. So Deven's book is called
Always Be the Light, written by Dr. Deven Tellis and illustrated by Courtney Monday.
So doesn't that sound like such an awesome book? I'm ready to show you guys the cutest craft that y'all have ever seen so far on this channel. This is so easy, so cute, so y'all definitely have to stick around. And guess what? I'll tell you more about the book after we complete the craft, okay? All right, so that's enough rambling. I know why y'all here. Let's get into the craft that I have brought to you by this book. And y'all know what I always say, let's get crafty.
All right, so for this craft, we're going to use cups and a paper towel roll, but I'm not going to use a plastic cup for this one. If you guys want to see a really cool way to make a nightlight with the plastic cup, comment below and I will make that a separate video so that way you guys have more options. But go ahead and look and see how my daughter is putting together her Superman or Superwoman craft. Super simple. Y'all can just look at it. You don't need a voiceover from me, and I'll be back once I need to tell y'all some more details, okay? Right, so after you add that cape, you are done. Look how cute this turned out. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make the cup, right? You can use paint or you can use markers. Miss Deven, I would use markers if I were you, because I know you like to do a lot of vendor events, and that way the kids can actually take their craft home because it's gonna take literally like 1 minute to dry. So use markers if you're wanting the kids to take it home right away, but you could also paint this and it'll have a really cool look. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together sort of like how we did the first one and just make it look like a superhero. So you guys could stop right here and this could be your craft, but if you want to take this up another level and turn it into a nightlight, keep watching because I'm going to show you the easy step you guys can take to take this craft from bam to yes ma'am. All right, super simple. So guys, what you're going to do is grab your hole punch, right? And you're going to put holes all over your craft. So just check this out how I'm doing it. Gonna lie to y'all, the cup is a little tough because it's a little thick, and you see I ripped it a little bit, so y'all be careful when hole punching the cup. It's possible, just take your time. Now I keep tea lights at my house, you know, for events and parties like that, so go ahead and grab your tea lights. If you don't have them, Dollar Tree got them for $1.25, and you're going to use the one that turns on like this by the click of the button. You want battery operated. Please don't use no real candles, y'all, and burn the house down. Don't do that. Now, see what I did? I just put the first one over the light, and that is it. That is that simple. You could do that. However, it's not going to be as much light. You could use 2 tea lights, but I'm going to show you, if y'all keep watching, I'm going to show you another way to make this tea light really illuminate for this paper towel roll. Now, if you use 2 tea lights like I did here for the cup, you're going to see how bright it looks, right? Check this out. cover it, bam, it's just so illuminating. I love this. So magical. Kids are gonna go crazy for this, y'all. But see, when I put the one over here, see how dark it is? I don't really like the way it looks. It's not as illuminating as the cup.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like she said, like and subscribe. But guys, we're gonna go back to the drawing board and I'm gonna show you guys how to do one quick, simple, easy step to make your paper towel roll glow just like the cup. So to give it a better glow, take your tea light, and this time you're gonna go from the top of your superhero. Not the bottom, go from the top. I'm gonna take some paper because as you guys can see, it's a little too small. So we need just a little reinforcement that's gonna make it get a nice snug fit. So use anything you have. If you have foam tape, that works really well, I find, but paper works fine too. So go ahead and stick the paper in there. I know it looks a little sus, but it does work, y'all. And all you do is, now that it's stuck like that with the paper in it, hit the button, turn it on, and now you see it has a bigger glow, and I'm very satisfied with this. I can go to sleep knowing that my nightlight is nice and bright.
You still watching, right? Okay, that's good. I'm glad you made it to this part. Don't forget, click that like button. I know I watched you not do it. Come on, click the like button. Thank you.
Now, if you want a bigger glow, you could put 2 lights in there, one on the top like I just showed you, and put one on the bottom and stick it on top. And you see how it's even brighter. So it's up to you. Depends on how much brightness your child needs to go to sleep. I'm an only child, so I needed a night light back in the day. Just fun fact. Okay. All right. And another thing that I like about this is, check this out. I really like how it looks when you lift it. It looks like a flashlight. It kind of reminds you of that craft I did for Miss Courtney B. Dunlap. Remember Courtney B. Dunlap? She did the Rumble Hunters book, and I did a craft for her where we made a flashlight. It was kind of the same type of thing. So check that video out if you want to see how to turn this into a flashlight. That was a really creative craft by yours truly, of course.
All right, so now, wasn't that the cutest craft? I swear that was the cutest craft. Like, super easy, super simple. I know y'all gonna wanna do that one today, right? Yeah. So guys, as promised, I told you I'm gonna tell you more about this book. So that's what we about to do. So let's get into the book.
The newest addition to Dr. Deven's amazingly affirmed children's book series. This book, y'all, is so inspiring and it is written with a nice soothing rhyme that will empower children to always shine bright like a diamond. In my Rihanna voice. Regardless, y'all, of the circumstances, kids will know to let their light shine. And children will find the motivation to become a positive example for others. They will learn to build their self-esteem as they think of themselves with kindness. And once children see that, they will know that they can be whatever they want to be. They can achieve whatever they want to achieve. So if that sounds like a book that you want to introduce your children to, y'all better drop down in that description box and get this book. I have to let you know that this book is also available in Spanish. I love that. And Dr. Deven has all her other books as well on her website. So see below. All the links are down below. Now, a little bit about our author. Dr. Deven is an author that specializes in written, beautifully illustrated children's books that highlights children of color. Each of her stories has a positive message worth sharing. And I also love that she's a K-12 foreign language teacher. So shout out to all my teachers out there. Yes. She can often be found, of course, spending time with her husband and her children, just like me, a nice little homebody. And Dr. Deven's unique perspective is the foundation of her creative nature. So this fuels her passion for reading, writing, food, family, and storytelling. So she is really passionate about what she do, guys, okay? Something else about Dr. Deven is she loves to inspire others with her writing and public speaking. So she wanted me to tell y'all that she is open to doing school visits, author visits, and vendor events. So if you guys know of a great event for inspiring kids, please hit up Dr. Deven and see if she can come talk to the children and spread her positive good vibes. Another thing she also wants you guys to know is that she has a publishing company, and her publishing company is called Blooming Books Publishing, and her goal is to help other aspiring authors realize their dreams through self-publishing. So if you are interested in writing a book, she will get you started with that. So you can also hit her up for that as well. And then lastly, guys, keep an eye out because she has a new journal dropping soon, and this journal is called the Weekly Affirmation Journal for Kids. That should be an awesome treat, and we definitely need something like that. So I'm looking forward to that. You guys make sure y'all follow her on her social media so y'all know exactly when this drops. Okay, I have everything linked down below: her website, her social medias, where you can buy the book. So please check out that description box for me. Okay, before you go, I don't know if I told you, but I'll say it again. This book is a part of the Bright Futures book series, so there's also a coloring book, an activity book to go along with this, and don't forget, it's also available in Spanish now. And another cool fact that you guys might have not noticed, but the characters in this book were created by and inspired by Dr. Deven's son, Adrian, and her daughter, Ryan. Love that, because I am also inspired by my kids too, and you can see inspirations in my book. So that was a really cool fact.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, guys. I cannot be doing what I'm doing without you guys, so I appreciate every single time that y'all click on the channel, share the channel, show a friend, sister, cousin, auntie, brother, pastor, anybody that you know out there that loves kids crafts, because that just keeps me going and it keeps the channel going. So don't forget to share and just, you know, tell people about your girl. Okay, so now if you like what you see here, make sure y'all write down in the comment section below how y'all plan on using this craft today, because I'm just a little curious. I want to also thank our author for allowing us to use her book in today's craft. Yes, make sure y'all drop down in that description box and check her out. And if y'all like arts and crafts and what you just saw here today, make sure you click on one of these two videos to keep the party going, and I'll see you in that next video. Bye.